Hello friends, today I am going to say how to make a skull like this with paper. So let's start. So first you should take a square paper like this. Then fold it in crosswise, like this corner to this corner. Unfold them. Now you should fold this corner to the middle, to the center line correctly. Repeat it for the other side. Now you should fold this corner to this center line. Now fold this corner about like that. At the point you should stop folding. Now you should fold it again downwards. Now you should turn it over. And then again you should fold it, and at a point you should stop. But you should leave some space between, like here. Now you should fold at this correct fold so that we can make the skull's teeth. Finally, we made the skull. Now let's draw eyes and nose for it. Now let's draw the nose. This will be the teeth and this will be the eyes. Now we are going to draw the nose. For the nose you should draw upside down heart. So finally it's an easy skull. We got an easy made skull with paper. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. See you in another interesting video. Bye.